in the previous section, we look at income inequality, and we say that income inequality exists because there's a wage difference between the high-skilled workers and the low-skilled workers. Typically, high-skilled workers will earn higher salary as compared to low-skilled workers, and this gives rise to the difference in wage rates that gives rise to income inequality. In this section, in order to measure the income inequality that exists in all countries, we make use of the Lorenz curve. So what is Lorenz curve? Lorenz curve will then measure the degree of income inequality that exists in a country. In order to draw the Lorenz curve, first we will look at the axis. On the y-axis, can you please write down the percentage of total income in your notes, and on the x-axis it will be the percentage of households. Before you can draw out the Lorenz curve, first we'll need a line of equality, which is denoted by this green diagonal line. From the term it suggests line of equality, it means that there's a perfect income distribution between the rich and the poor. That means there is no income inequality when we are on the green line. The Lorenz curve typically is below the green line as shown. Denoted by the blue curve is for country A. So let's practice drawing. We just have to draw a curve below the line of equality, and we call this LA, the Lorenz curve for country A. And we can draw another Lorenz curve for country B, which is denoted by the red line, by the red curve. And we can label this as LB. What can we see from here? This is very important. We can see that this is the fact that you need to know. We can say that the further the curve is away from the line of equality, the greater the income inequality. I will require you to take this down in your lecture notes on page 12-7. That means the gap between the rich, the high wage workers and the low wage worker, the income gap is very wide. So what can we conclude from this example here? There will be greater income inequality in which country? Country A or country B? The answer will be in country B. Reason being, the red Lorenz curve is further away from the line of equality, the green diagonal line, as compared to the blue Lorenz curve, which is nearer to the green diagonal line. Therefore, we can say that the wage gap, the difference between the rich and the poor in country B, the income gap is wider as compared to country A. Therefore, country B has a greater income inequality. Now, we will be proceeding to tutorial questions.